Welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into an old age farming practice, applying engine oil transpose. Engine oil acts as a deterrent against pests and insects. The oil inhibits the growth of fungi and other microorganisms that can thrive in damp conditions and contribute to wood rot. Ever wondered why farmers do this? But as of now, since I've noticed that they're starting out, just need to manage this by putting oil. I actually don't know the exact reason why oil is good, but it has been recommended and actually being used regularly. So I'm taking the same steps. Let's see how it goes. This is oil from the engine of the car after service. Just told them to pack it for me. And a useless cloth. This is the first place. This is where I want to see it. Yes. The result will be fence posts that last longer and maintain durable, standing strong against the elements. This traditional method extends the life of the wood, saving you time and money in the long run. However, it's important to be aware of environmental concerns with this practice. As I was working, I'm just noticing what the termites have done to the neighbor's fence. As you can see, they are eating the plank, making it rot. So over time, this is going to fall. And it's not going to hold out any longer. So this is what I'm trying to stop. If you put oil, it will be a deterrent. They will not be able to crop up. After construction of the water tank, it's up that side. A lot of these poles and wood remained. The way the weather is looking, if rain comes here, it will just destroy this. So what I intend to do is try to move this, because I want to use them for later. I intend to make a compost pit. I can use compost good enough for the farm, and beyond that they can be used for other construction purposes. So today is a day for moving. Let's see how it goes. We are taking care of some important tasks here on the farm. It's crucial to move this wood to a safe area. We don't want to get it soaked and damaged. Once we have the timber safely moved, we have existing plans for it. This wood will be repurposed to build a chicken coop and a composting pit. These projects will not only help us utilize the leftover material efficiently, but also support our sustainable farming practices. Stay tuned to see the progress. It's going to be used to make a chicken coop here underneath, and also some of them I'm going to use them to make a compost pit. So that's it for the clearing up. All of this is what I need to use for my compost. So once I make that compost pit, all this will be put inside there, mix with soil, with some grass, some cardboard, some dry material, then over time it will decompose and become good soil. All this is pond tomato leaves. A lot more is going to come out and it needs to go somewhere.
That's why the compost feeding is very important.
Thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more farming tips and tricks.